A very good morning to everyone. Welcome you all to LaThe here in Ladakh. Welcome you all back to my channel. Once again, this is Mahaneet here. As you might have seen in my last vlog, we reached LaThe last evening and this was the route we took to reach LaThe. Beautiful ride all the way from Djmahaneet here up to LaThe. Fantastic passes we passed. Ladakh is the land of high passes. One wonderful experience as we came on the Manali-Leh highway. The weather has been fantastic so far all along the ride, so we didn't come across any major drastic weather changes. New to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. Follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. You can see I've been riding on my Honda Transalp XL750 all along this entire trip. Wonderful experience so far. Staying from last night at this beautiful eco-popular resort here in LaThe. Spread out property, lot of greenery. It was not the original plan as we changed our plan from Zanskar and we reached LaThe, so this was a last minute booking we got, but a beautiful property there. Chill for today, explore a bit of LaThe city, wash my bike and maybe hit Khardung later. Stay tuned for another exciting day here. PT Ladakh Loop, stay tuned. And LaThe is always full of surprises.
So this is where we're staying, the eco-popular resort, EPR for short form. This is a backup vehicle. This is the dealer. These are the bikes on KTM, 80, and there is Deepak. Highlights.
Welcome to the capital city of Ladakh. This is LaThe. Elevation of 3,500 meters above sea level. This is one of the most beautiful cities in India. Honda Transalp exploring LaThe and from there we are heading to Khardung Pass. Lanes are very narrow, structures are very unique here in LaThe. Ladakh of course is known for its rugged mountains and high passes, the land of high passes. Now LaThe has become any biker's dream destination. It's a biker's paradise here in LaThe. If you're an Indian, you have to visit LaThe once in a lifetime. It also has a very open culture to people and tourists who come here. It looks great as you ride towards Khardung. Altitude of 5,539 meters above sea level. Khardung at one time was the highest motorable road in the world. Right now I think it's 4th or 5th highest motorable road, and this must be my 4th or 5th time to Khardung. Stay tuned for an exciting ride all the way up to the Khardung top. Always travel, enjoy your life, keep life simple, be in nature, be a part of nature. Cheers.
our rest day here in Leh city as we explore the market area of Leh. It was just a chill out day today. Hope you're liking my log, the entire series of the Great SPITI Zanskar Loop. So we got to celebrate the Indian Independence Day here with the army people in the border area of Ladakh. What a feeling it was. A very happy 79th Indian Independence Day to all of you all. Let's all celebrate this together and make this a beautiful country to live in. Well, that's it from this beautiful city of Leh here in Ladakh. If you do like the video, give me a thumbs up. Also, if you not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. Follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. So from this eco resort here in Leh city, I'm going to sign off from here. It's going to be adios. Goodbye. Thank you for watching once again. See you around on my next vlog. That's tomorrow as we head to Pangong Lake. Stay tuned. Bye bye.